Hello, good morning law aspirants, and so we are here with our new vocabulary session, and your feedback is motivating us a lot. Yes, what we came across, the things that you wrote to us was this, that yes, education is really an investment. You are investing into it, you are learning new words and you're getting the output out of it. So that is what is the basic, in fact I would say the crux of the matter, the gist of the things. And to hit the nail on the head, yes, it's very important you get the response back. We had done so many routes and we'll be coming up with various new routes, various books that we would interpret for you, and will not leave you till you clear CLAT. Yes. So, in that case, what are the things that we have to keep in mind while doing up the paper, the things, the scenario? That is what I am discussing right now. Now, what is more important here is that the routes that you are learning, keep writing 5 examples of your own. If you do that, since I'll just start with the route that I have left in between. This was the last class I did. I am not repeating this, don't tell me that, because I'll be continuing with the same. So, I just need a connectivity between the two. So, what I was saying is that when we are doing this kind of thing and the words, the best method to do is that you write your 5 words, 1, 2, 3, 4, like you did the rule last time, that was phob, that is fear. So, we have claustrophobia or this, or you root the word fill. So, you are a bibliophile, or it is a dipsophile, that is a person who is very fond of alcoholic drink, or any person who is a person who is philosopher or a philanderer, right. So, you would understand the difference. Every route, whether it is the main route or the subsidiary route, write the examples for this, write the further things for this, and this would be easy for you to do it, right. We had taken up in the last class the root ben or bon, that means good. So, benefactor is the person who gives money for a good cause. We had already done this. I am just reading out and I turn to the more words related with this root, that is ben. Beneficial is something which is producing good results. Benevolent is kindness or goodness. I gave you 5 to 7 synonyms. Yes, please recall. Yes, a person who is munificent, generous, kind, benevolent, ready to help people. A person who is always wanting more and more kind of an help for things, that is benevolent. Bona fide and good faith, or bonfire. We were talking of bonfire in the last class. Yes, we are very fond of bonfire dinners and sitting near the bonfire. We want to enjoy our New Year weekends, right. So, continuing with the root ben and bon, that means good. We take up further examples for this. This is a broadened root. As I discussed, various words have been given with this and various links have been done with it. Taking the next word in this series, bon voyage. So, you all know voyage is journey. Life is itself a journey. We are all travelers, the pilgrims on this. So, voyage is a journey. Bon voyage is good wishes that you give to someone for a good journey, that good wishes, you are having a journey and your good wishes for that journey is bon voyage, right. So, when you are going somebody, sir, that bon voyage for the friend, you go to see off your friend. Yes, the phrasal verb we use, see off, or the word valediction. We have a famous poem of John Donne, valediction forbidding mourning. When two people are getting separated, they shouldn't cry, because this is not separation, they are united to each other. So, this is a kind of an adieu, farewell, or एक word जो specially इसमें note करने के लिए है, arrived. See, these are synonyms for saying goodbye to someone, wishing the person good wishes that you are going on a journey. May God give you a good journey and best of luck for your journey. Bon homie is a good natured person, right. You can see the root bon and HOM, that is human. So, HOM is human. Homicide. So, when we say the root sid with this means to kill or cut. Now, join the word and frame a meaning. Homicide is killing a person, killing a human being. Homicide is being homie. So, good natured person, a very genial, gen root again, class or race. Friendly person, you can also add up the word amiable and amicable. See, this list continues. It is not that end in itself. No word is an end in itself. You keep adding new words to your knowledge and vocabulary. And the root convivial. co together, and we have viv, that is life. Please make a correction, this is double VIAL. So, do this, that will be done in a quick writing. We have missed up the word convivial, right, that is full of life, very charged, very happy, mixing with people, a very social person, one who is very fond of making friends, and a person who is extrovert by personality. Now, personality, we have extrovert, introvert and ambivert. So, when a person is ready to mix up with people, talk to people, that is an extrovert. Benefit is the advantage a person has from something. Benefaction, so faction is a gift or a donation that you give to someone, that is benefaction. Gift or donation given to someone, that is benefaction, right. So, this is something good, and a donation that you give to someone, that is benefaction, right. I hope you have written the words. We have more roots coming up with this, but please do not miss the words for the word, any word, whether it is bonus or bonanza. Now, when we have Christmas bonanza, ice cream bonanza ads are there on television. Now, what is bonanza? Yes, 1 plus 1 free. So, you are getting additional, you are getting more, price less and value more. So, this is something additional to you, you are getting more for something that you are paying less. What more do you look for? This is ice cream bonanza. So, that is what here we are talking of, bonanza, that is additional thing which will be adding more to your value and things. Taking the word, the next, I hope you have written down the roots and the words, voyage, right. Okay. Bounty. Bounty is a reward or a gift that you give to someone, right, or bonify is to convert to something good. Bon mot is a witty remark or repartee. Please note this word repartee. You answer back in such a beautiful manner, such a witty thing that the other person is tongue tied. The other person not able to speak more, the person is tongue tied, that is bon mot. And bonanza, as I was talking of, this is a word which is an unusually rich vein in which there is gold and silver in a mine. There is more of the things you get out of it. So, you could add more words to it, right. Okay. The words that we can add here, bonus, benediction. Now, you can guess the meaning, yeah, come on. Ben means good, dict means words. So, saying good words to someone would mean what? Yes, it is a blessing, it is a boon, it is something that you add on and you give to somebody, that is blessing or a boon. Good words you that. See, just opposite to it would be, an opposite to it, malediction. This is bad words or curse. So, you are giving a curse to someone. So, benediction and malediction, you can easily make out the meaning out of the two, very good. So, when we add any word, you can, besides this list of 15 words that we have done with the root ben and the subsidiary roots 5 to 10 that we have done, what is more to be kept in mind is the word that you do not forget the exact meaning that we are trying to grasp, that is our best thing that goes inside us, that is the exact crux of it is what? Yes, ben and bon. What is it? Good, right? So, it is very easy to write up on that, and anywhere you find like, okay, taking up this word, a new word, see the word bony, see the difference, and the word bony, there is a difference, right. I explain you the difference. Now, what is it? Bony, she is very bony, it's very skinny, very thin, very slender, maybe malnutritious kind of person. She is very bony. Most of the film stars are bony. When we say bony, B-O-N-N-Y, that means somebody who is very beautiful, somebody who is very attractive or ravishing, enchanting, like an enchanter catches your attention. That's burning. See the difference in the words with the word born and ben. You may say, ma'am, what about this? This may be pleasing to some with a figure, somebody very good to look at because the person is very skinny, the film actress, and this person is something which is ravishing beauty, catching as an enchanter. When we turn to the examples that you wanted me to do and make a sentence for each word, bounty. He got a bounty for his hard work and he was promoted in his job, right? The word bonify is to convert into something good, something which has been bad, you turn it into something good is bonify. God tries to bonify the evil from the society, the evil from mankind and make it something good, right? Bon mot is a witty remark. A lawyer, a leader, a statesman and a teacher. These people have the gift of gab. That is the art of speaking. You speak in such a way the other person is mesmerized and lost in your speech. That kind of thing is the word we use for a witty remark. Somebody who is an erudite speaker who catches your attention. So, this mesmerizing speech, this kind of a magnetic touch is very important and this makes it bon mot. So, as I was talking of, the leaders, statesmen, teachers are known to be bon mot. You know, the other person says and you answer such, you are tongue tied. That is why I wrote the word again, I write tongue tied. Bonanza, he got a bonanza in the form of his bonus, and unusually something which has been different, usually do not get it, unusual rich vein of gold or silver in a mine. आपको कोई चीज़ additional मिल जाए, something more of the value. Right? This is a thing which you add on to it. He got a bonus, Diwali bonus. Everybody loves to get the Diwali bonus. People look forward to Diwali bonus, right? The teacher gave him a benediction that he would become a great lawyer. You will get selected in LS Bangalore. This is the benediction of the teacher. Now, what more a person would look for with the benediction of the teacher? Blessing, somebody who is, it's a boon or a blessing for it. So, I hope it has gone inside you. You have understood the root bon and ben very clearly, carefully, understood every word with it. Yes. So, now what this time what you are going to do? You are going to make your examples, you will set your examples, you will write those examples, jot them down and send it to me. Ki ma'am, this is the problem, I have gone through this. Do add on with this root ben and bon, that is EU root I asked you, that also means good. Whether it is euphoria or euthanasia or eupeptic, that is good digestion, or in the sense of anything which is eureka phobes. Ma'am, does it match to the root? Yes dear, it does matches to the root, it does it, right. So, please do remember the roots and it is very important for you that you are able to understand and grasp the roots thoroughly, carefully and meticulously. I hope you will do the same. So, fine, I will be looking forward to your replies. Okay. Thank you, students.